Did you know that your heart is a complex and precise engine that works tirelessly every day? Your heart, this small organ the size of your fist, operates with astonishing power and precision. It beats around 100,000 times a day, pumping nearly 8 pints of blood throughout your body. But that's just part of the story. The heart consists of 4 chambers, 2 atria on top and 2 ventricles at the bottom. These chambers are separated by a wall called the septum. Each chamber has a one-way valve that keeps the blood flowing in one direction. Not only does your heart pump blood, but it also works with the lungs too. Add oxygen to the blood and remove carbon dioxide. This vital process delivers oxygen and nutrients to your tissues and organs, and removes waste products. Did you know that your heart can respond to various factors? For example, during exercise or experiencing strong emotions, your heart rate increases. Your heart can beat 60 to 100 times per minute. The human heart has 3 layers: the epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium. The left ventricle is the strongest chamber and pumps blood throughout the body. So let's respect this small but powerful engine and help our health by taking care of it. Don't miss out on any of our latest tutorials and tips. Subscribe to our channel now and be the first to get notified about our newest origami adventures. Your next masterpiece is just a fold away.